Now, if business owner ka and you don't have time na mag-design ng poster para sa business mo, this is the perfect way for you to generate this high quality images using AI. And ang gagawin mo lang is copy and paste. So you can open your ChatGPT, pag-generate ka lang ng prompt, and then hit copy, and then ipipaste mo lang siya sa Nano Banana. Yan yung gamit natin na AI. So right-click, paste. Hirap pala isang kamay lang. Yan. And then, kuha ka rin ng reference image. So for example, ito yung reference image ko kasi gagawa din ako ng poster para sa training na to. Ayan. So this is all about e-commerce na training, no? So right click and then hit paste. Ayan. So copy paste pa lang yung ginagawa natin. Ayan. Then hit generate. And finally, after 1 minute, ito na yung nag-generate ng AI. So zoom lang natin. As you can see, not bad, diba? And as you can take a look at the reference image, kind of similar lang naman. So hindi niya binago yung texture and features ng mukha. So that's the advantage of having this AI that you can copy from ChatGPT and paste mo lang siya sa Nano Banana.